Hey there guys, Autistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's request drawing video, I'm drawing sonic.exe. This was a request that came in a few days ago by Sonic the Artificial Intelligence, asking if I could draw sonic.exe. I hadn't heard of sonic.exe before, so I did a little bit of research online. Found out that it's basically Sonic with black and red eyes with blood dripping all over him. I'd love to know a little bit more background behind sonic.exe. So Sonic the Artificial Intelligence, if you could just drop me in the comments below a little bit of information about sonic.exe, where he comes from, what he is it a meme, is it an actual game character? I'm not too sure. But as always, I freehanded a sketch in with a 2H Caran D'ache pencil, and then I used my Copic markers for the rest of the drawing. I used the sky blue for the highlighted blue areas, as you can see going around Sonic, around the spikes and the ear. I then used a ultramarine blue. This is almost a perfect colour for Sonic. If any of you recognise Sonic, which I'm sure you do, this is quite a close match to the actual colour that he is. I then used a sand colour for Sonic's mouth area, and for Sonic's gloves I used a cool grey 1. Just in the darker areas, leaving some slightly white areas, just to add some dimension and shape to the hands. For Sonic's shoes, I used a chrome orange and a cadmium red, which looked quite nice on the final drawing. And then I used the cadmium red and the cardinal red for the blood, which you'll see towards the end of the video, and it just makes a really nice contrast between the blue. I added a comic panel background, which is the border that you can see going around Sonic, and the trick with this is to make sure that you leave some of your character overhanging the actual panel itself, and what this will do is it will lift the character off of the page, so it makes it look slightly more three-dimensional, and I really like that look. It makes it look really cool. I then decided to add a background, and I used a WINSOR and Newton pigment marker for this, and I used a poppy red. And what I do is I leave a halo almost around the character between the actual colour of the background and the character, as you'll see in a second. And I just think that this again just adds another layer of dimension and depth to the drawing, and it just adds something different. I'm not seeing an awful lot of this type of drawing and finish on YouTube or the internet, so I think it's just sort of making my drawing stand out a little bit. I'd love to know what you think about this and anything to do with the drawing. Don't forget to hook up with me on social media. All the links to my are in the descriptions below to my social media. Don't forget to send me your requests. I'm doing requests, so leave me your request down below in the comments, or you can leave me a request on Twitter, Instagram or Facebook. I'm really enjoying making these videos for you guys. My channel's doing really well, so thank you so much for the shares, likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Turn the notifications icon on. I am dropping daily videos. I hope you're enjoying the channel so far, guys. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.